folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Today it's kind of a muggy day, but it's not too bad. So I don't really have anything to say. I'm kind of running one of my trains right now, just cleaning the track off. So as you can see over here, I got the little Pico track cleaner going, but we'll get back to that later. So what I figured I'd talk about is what's going on in my shed, what I've been up to lately. So let's go have a look. Been doing some work on my train shed here. Been painting these doors, getting the lights all on and working. This part here. Been painting the other side, the doors back there. Got the lights all wired up. And let's see what we got here. There's the lights. And I've got this cable coming down here to a battery pack for now. And you can see the lights work. And I got the lights on the other side over here working as well. And on the other side by the other doors. Let's see around here. And those ones are working. Still going to put some interior lights on it. But what I wanted to talk about today is I want to redo or kind of update a video I did in the past, and that was on track cleaning. Some things I found out, some stuff I've discovered. So yeah, let's set up and I'll show you what I figured out. Hey folks, stick around to the end of the video and see what kind of trouble I ran into. Okay, so first off, what I wanted to talk about, one of the things is this train here, the Northern Star. What I did was I stripped down the coal car here and repainted it black. I also plan on doing the same thing to the engine. I'm going to leave some of the colors in the engine, but the majority of it I'm going to switch over to black. But what I wanted to talk about was, like I said, track cleaning. In my last video I said to use vinegar and to rinse it off with water, or else the vinegar can tarnish your track. Well, I've been experimenting for a long time with the track cleaning. I've tried electrical penetrating oil, I've tried Goo Gone, I've tried carburetor cleaner, I've tried gasoline, I've tried brake cleaner. I've tried all kinds of stuff, and then I started getting into the more old-fashioned, conventional ways of doing things. And I tried ketchup. I didn't really like that. It smelled, got all over the place. It was gross. And then I tried the baking soda, and I tried baking soda and vinegar, and I tried just vinegar. Vinegar worked the best. But then on one of my Facebook pages, I seen a guy, he was talking about another way to do it. So I tried, and it works. Lemon juice. I used lemon juice on part of this track right here. The rest of it was really black, and just a couple of wipes with lemon juice brought the shine right out. I used it on this one here. So this track I used it on, and then after I was done, I wiped it down with water to see what it would look like. This one I just cleaned with the lemon juice, and I didn't wipe it down, I didn't do anything to it, and I don't know if you can see that, but it came out pretty nice. I cleaned from here to here, and this is the way it used to be up here. So I don't know if you can really see the difference there. And then this piece of track was virtually black. It was filthy. I can still see a bit down here where it was black. But I cleaned it with lemon juice. I used lemon juice and a toothbrush, and it just came right out beautiful. So then I grabbed a bunch of my old clips. And these connectors were pretty gross, especially this one that's all mangled. It was completely black, and now it's got a bit of a copper look to it again. Same with this one, completely black. This one I didn't really clean as much on this one. These ones, they cleaned up really nice. So it's also your brass content that you're working with, but yeah, so far it looks like lemon juice is the sheer winner. So on your connections between the tracks, like I said, I use lemon juice now and a toothbrush or a small scrub brush like this. And I just clean it all up. Comes out beautiful. One thing I really would like to stress is when you are cleaning your track, really try not to use the abrasive sandpaper. I use it, but I really don't like using it. I'm going to take this car because it's got a working hatch, and it actually opens up, and there's a pipe over here on this side with a little valve that actually all works. So I'd like to make a track cleaning car with this, fill it with lemon juice, and just run her around the track with a bunch of sponges. But that'd be another project. I got so many projects on the go. I'm still working on my lights, getting more and more street lights, 3D printing stuff. But yeah, that's what I've been doing so far, is just playing with my train shed, and playing with my trains, and experimenting. So that's all I have to say for now, really. So until next time, well, let's go run some trains, see what happens. Hey folks, well, I told you that I was going to run some trains, but then I ran into a big problem. Seems that kind of burned out my transformers. This transformer here, the walk-around one, US Trains walk-around transformer, that was the transformer I had hooked up to my train set. I've had it for quite a while, actually, close to 10 years, and it just fried out on me when I went to use it. So I was running my train, and the track's really dirty because I haven't run it all winter. So I was running my train and trying out the new procedure of lemon oil or lemon juice on the track. And I was just going around cleaning up the track and the joints, and when the train stopped, I tried getting it going, wouldn't work any longer. I was trying my TH&B train up here, and I couldn't get it to run. So then I came in and got the Canadian National out here. I got it out, and again it wouldn't run. So I grabbed a voltmeter and tried the voltmeter on the track, and there was no power. So I went right to the unit itself, put the voltmeter on the back on the terminals, and again, no power. So it looks like I burned it out. And then this one I had it up here on my workbench where the Lionel one is, and it was hooked up to a piece of test track. And I accidentally dropped a screwdriver on the track and blew it. I've checked fuses, I've tried everything. I can't get this one apart because the screws and that are just seized in there really good. This one here's got rivets holding it together, so I don't want to take it apart. But I deal with a shop up in Winona, and that's where I deal with most of my stuff.
and he's agreed to have a look at them. They're no longer under warranty. They're, like I said, they're way too old. I don't even think he'll get them running, but he's going to have a look at them, see if he can figure out what's going on. Regardless, I think I'm in for a new power supply. I'd like to get another one of these. I really did enjoy this one. It was a good unit, lots of power, and I hooked up an extra long cable onto it so I could reach all around my track. So yeah, if all else fails, I'll be getting a new power supply. So when the time comes, look forward to an unboxing of a new power supply, depending on what kind I get. So I guess that's it all, folks. Okay, well, I guess that's just dumb luck, and that's what I seem to have a lot of, dumb luck. So anyways, that's my video for this time, and I guess I'll see you guys all later, and remember, talk about trains. See you later.